So we're waiting in our funky hotel. What's it called? Pries Hotel. Very nice. Because we've got taken the Dacia Express at 20 to 8 it leaves, doesn't it?
7:42.
Yeah, takes about 19, 20 hours to get to Bucharest. No restaurant car, so those are our snacks. It's probably enough to sell to the rest of the train travellers, because we're not planning on starving. Anyway, that's that. More on the Dacia Express, surely. So we're here at the station. Got a few minutes, 12 minutes to go. Very excited. Just waiting for the Romanian train to come in to take us to Bucharest. We've got coffee ready for the morning. Snacks. So, yeah, Patricia's saying, thank God we've got coffee. Yeah, I'm all right in the mornings. So here's the train plan. So these four go to Bucharest. That's ours. And then we lose these at Budapest, including the dining car, which is why we've got snacks. So we're now running a bit late. We've changed platforms and we're 10 minutes late. And they've flipped this around. So instead of the Bucharest ones being at the front, they're now at the back. So all we got to do is make sure we don't go for a walk at the wrong time, because that would be really annoying. So that's that. Oh, it's exciting. So we've just had to flip platforms again, and it's now running 20 minutes late. But luckily, we're standing in the right spot. So all we've got to do is go backwards and forwards across the two platforms. Here she comes! The Romanian train! Look at that! These are the wagons going to Budapest, and then hopefully number 414. There's the restaurant that's stopping at Budapest. And that's still Budapest. Budapest. Oh look, they're different wagons. Sleeper, that might be us. Okay, here we are on the Dacia Express. Bunk. Patricia's just folded her bunk back to sit on. We've got a magic cupboard with amenities, which I believe is a dental kit, hand wash, and a serviette. Got running water. I won't put it on again because I just put it on and it wouldn't go off. Bin. Storage. A ladder. We'll see what happens here. Coat hangers. And an opening, or not opening window. Okay. All right then. This is a home for the next 19 hours. What do you think? So here we are. Patricia brilliantly managed to score the next door cabin, which has got not only more room, but what? A toilet. Because she checked out the one at the end of the couch. However, the conductor, having first said yes, has just gone off with our tickets. So we're just kind of not sure. We think he might have had a Swift vodka or 6. So we'll wait and see. So the conductor just came in with a mop. Filthy looking mop, wasn't it?
Oh, yes.
And then he went in to the loo, and then he spent quite a while mopping the floor. But we haven't tested the shower, but apparently all the YouTubes we've seen, the shower doesn't work anyway, and we're not really planning to use it.
I am not showering.
But it has got a loo. Anyway.
I showered today, that'll do.
Yeah. And then, and then he went and took our ticket, but I think they keep the ticket. So that's that. So, in this 870 kilometre trip, next stop, we'll stop at Budapest at about 20 past 10, I think it is.
I think so.
And then the border is, I think, the Hungarian.
It was at 1 o'clock? 2 minutes past 1?
Yeah. So we cross into Hungary, but that's Schengen, so it doesn't matter. So, setting off through Austria. So we'll be crossing into Hungary later tonight. So we just had a rather forceful incursion into our cabin. We had the door actually locked and shut, and an English woman came, pulled the door, actually pulled it right open, and said something about "this is my number," and then said, "Are you travelling together?" And I said, "Yes." And then she said, "I'll go off to 21, I might be back." Like, what? Okay, we'll close the door. We'll fend her off. Don't you think possession is 9/10 of the law?
Absolutely.
Yeah. And we'll leave it to the conductor to deal with it. So put us in here. Oh, it's about 11 o'clock at night. We're in Budapest. The last bit. So, we hit the Hungarian-Romanian border. We crossed obviously from Austria into Hungary without any problem. That's all Schengen. And then we hit the Hungarian-Romanian border at about 1, 2 in the morning.
Yes.
Yeah, and then we've heard it's anything between 40 minutes.
Better put my jammies on tonight.
Yeah, I know. So it's anything between 40 minutes and an hour and a half at the Hungarian-Romanian border with and then we get to the other side, and then the Romanian border control takes about 40 minutes to an hour and a half. And yeah, as Patricia said, we're going to be clothed in bed, border guards coming at the door.
Because they actually come on the train.
Yes, they come on the train and knock on your door and ask for your passport.
Make sure you're the person in the bed.
Yeah.
So watch out who you're sleeping with tonight.
And watch out there isn't anyone else, which we're not planning to.
That's right, smuggling somebody.
Yeah. So we're going to be kind of partially dressed, maybe fully dressed. Yeah. And then, when they're all gone, we can go to sleep.
That's if you can.
Yeah. And then apparently about 9 o'clock, some a.m., between 5 and 9 a.m., somewhere in Romania, a bar car is attached, which has coffee, Chivas Regal, Johnny Walker, and packets of crisps. That's our understanding, isn't it?
That is.
Yeah. So it's all very exciting. So yeah, we're continuing across Austria right now.
Different.
Yeah. So it's 2:20, and we've managed to catch up actually about 15 minutes, and that was the Hungarian border guards. So in about an hour, I think. I don't know really. We'll enter Romania.
What?
That's it. That's the second border check. It's clock's run forward. So it's just gone 4:15, pretty much caught up on time. And we're off again. So, night. Oh, good morning. It's 6:15. Looks like a fine day. About probably 2.5 hours into Romania. Got my coffee that I bought from the hotel. My croissant. Peace still. Snoozing. Beginning of another beautiful day. Hello, Romania. So we went off looking for a cup of tea. We thought that the bar car attached arrived at about 5 in the morning, but apparently it didn't. So we're making our way back rapidly because this train seems to split, disconnect and reconnect fairly frequently. And anyway, there isn't a bar car at the moment, so no whiskey for Patricia. Beautiful morning. Lots of crops. We've seen lots of corn, and that looks like wheat and orchards and sheep. Periodically, we get something like that. it does actually. It has coffee, but it doesn't have tea or hot chocolate that Patricia might like. And there's chocolates, spirits, liqueurs, no actual food. But it's got comfortable seats. It's all beautiful and green and different crops. We've seen quite a bit of hay all on its rolls. There's some more sheep up there. So we're at Sighișoara, where we're going to come back. And it looks like the conductor's the only one with an opening window. I can see you. Quite a few awesome parts on the farm, but also there a couple on the street. We're just leaving Sighișoara. We're about half an hour north of Brasov. We're looking for the Carpathian Mountains. I don't see them in the distance over there. Maybe we'll head south towards them soon. I love a willow tree. That could be them over there. Hello, Carpathian Mountains. I think this is Romanian bureaucracy. The train guards have all got the classic pit cap. He's waiting there with the stamp. This guy's filling out a piece of paper and he's stamping each page. Okay, now the train can go. Correct number of people. Train's manifest is correct. Interestingly, we seem to be the only people left in the sleeper car section. We just went through a tunnel and there don't seem to be any automatic lights on, so we're on the pitch black, weren't we? For a couple of minutes.
Yes.
About 4 minutes?
Oh, maybe 3.
Yeah. Everyone else has got off at, well, stopped before another time. See what I mean? See? Ah. Not a light to be had. Big forest. Either side. So we're now heading back downhill. Feels quite steep because you can see the. Oh, look at that. Look at those Carpathians. You don't really get the majesty of them from the video, but truly standing up there. This is why you take this trip. It's not for the comfort or the sleep or rest or food, restaurant. So we've arrived at Bucharest North. Like a lot of the stations, there isn't a single sign saying that this is Bucharest North. The only clue is it's the end of the line. But still, even in here. So it's been an epic 21-hour journey. So we'll go and find our Airbnb. There she is. Our 4 carriages. Brought us all the way from Vienna. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm 95 now. So it's heading off. Thank you, Dacia Express. Hello, Bucharest North.